Yes, I mean, I'm going to pick the round them. Hold on. I'll take that call, hold on. Hello?
Hi, I'm calling from Better Solutions. May I speak to Mr. Fletcher, please?
How this?
Is this Derville Everton?
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder. Cause
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so today we want to talk about Majah Hype and him get himself in some trouble right now that sees him behind bars. Popular comedian Majah Hype is listed as an inmate in a prison in Georgia, facing charges for simple battery and felony charges of making terroristic threats and acts. He has been detained at Cobb County Sheriff's Office adult detention facilities in Georgia for the past 4 days. So according to Cobb County Sheriff's Office, Majah Hype, whose real name is Nigel Joseph, was arrested and processed on February 19. So that if I run one part ago, you see me, and remains in custody without bond. Alright, so basically, if you cannot post bond, they might hold you in a jail for weeks, months, until your trial or until your time come for them hear about your case. You see me? If you cannot post bond, and so that if you can't pay, if you bail out yourself or anything like that, you see me? So maybe Majah Hype cannot pay the money where them a request for him bail out himself or something. You see me? Or if the judge say no bond, no bail for Majah Hype, if the judge say that, then the judge is basically saying that you are a flight risk. You see me? If them let you out of prison, it only going to become worse and them not feel like that is the right decision to make. You see me? So that's why Majah Hype they in a prison without bond. It was not immediately clear if the charges were actually in relation to a domestic abuse incident in December of 2020, where we saw his ex-girlfriend Latisha Kirby, you see me, made some public accusation about Majah Hype that he physically assaulted her, you see me. And as me say, everybody know Majah Hype, him the all over social media, him do skits and funny videos and all these things on Instagram. Couple 100,000 Instagram followers, well known, everybody know him, you see me. All I'm gonna say right now is all the best to Majah Hype and him family and to Majah Hype himself. Go and hold it, you see me, until you forward the road. Them can't hold it for too long. That's all I'm gonna say. Free up Majah Hype. Another thing I want to touch upon, youth, you see, when you come in the US and when you live in the US and have a mind what you do, you can't, you see, or man in Jamaica with a beat woman and go on with beer things and them not care, you can't do them things right. Yeah, so you see me, the least thing you know say child support, the next thing you know say abuse this and abuse that and way physical this and way, and next thing you know you're gonna sit down in a jail, you're gonna sit down in a prison for a couple weeks, couple months, or a couple years. You see me? And it's not nice. And if you're on green card and them thing that you get knocked because they might kick you out of the country. And if you're on citizenship, them would go on with something same way. And even if you did born in the US but you have family outside of the US, them can kick you out and send you at them country where your parents come from. So a whole heap of little things go on you, and you just have to just know say yo, you have to just go and hold it. You see me? And not get yourself mixed up in a way them other people they get themselves mixed up in a. You see me? Man them have to just know them thing the youth. So big up Majah Hype and all the best for the dog. You see me? If you reach it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the support. As always, I'm out.